Hello, today we are going to cover the section Geometric Sequences and Series. Let's look at some important concepts regarding geometric sequences and series. A geometric sequence is of the form S sub 1, S sub 1 R, S sub 1 R square, S sub 1 R cubed, etc. Where A sub 1 is the first term, R is the common ratio. So we can find the common ratio R by dividing the second term by the first term or the third term by the second term in general, dividing the n plus 1th term by the nth term where n greater than or equal to 1. And for this section, you have to memorize some formulas to do the problems. So the formula to find the general term or the nth term is S sub n equals S sub 1 R2 n minus 1. And the nth partial sum formula is S sub n equals S sub 1 times 1 minus R to the n divided by 1 minus R, where R not equal to 1. So this is the formula to find the sum of the first n terms. Then there is another formula. That is the formula to find the sum of an infinite geometric series. S equals S sub 1 divided by 1 minus R. And if absolute value of R less than 1, that's the absolute value of the common ratio is less than 1, then we can say that the infinite geometric series has a finite sum and is said to converge. If absolute value of R is greater than or equal to 1, then the infinite geometric series does not have a finite sum and the series is said to diverge. So let's look at some examples based on these concepts. So I have given 2 examples here. Let's look at the first example. Determine the general term of the geometric sequence 1/2, 1/8, 1 over 32, 1 over 128, etc. So let's do the first problem. We need to find the general term. The formula to find the general term is A sub n equals A sub 1 R2 n minus 1. So here we have given S sub 1 equals 1/2. To find R, we can divide the second term by the first term. That is 1/8 divided by 1/2. That is 1/8 times 2 over 1. We can simplify this. We will go into it by 4 times. So we'll get 1/4. Now we can write the general term. So the general term is A sub 1, that is 1/2 times, and the common ratio is 1/4 to n minus 1. So certainly we can simplify this product, but for this example, let's keep the general term as 1/2 times 1/4 to n minus 1. Let's look at the second example. So find the 6th term of the geometric sequence, whose first term is 3804 and whose common ratio is -1/4. So here we have to find a specific term, that is the 6th term, and we have given the first term and the common ratio. Let's go to the next page. So we have given the first term is sub 1 as 3,804 and the common ratio R is negative 1/4. And we have to find the sixth term. A sub 6 equals, so we can use the same formula for finding the nth term. So that is A sub n equals A sub 1 R2 n minus 1. So to find the sixth term, A sub 6 equals A sub 1 R2 n equals 6, 6 minus 1. So A sub 1 is 3,804. R is negative 1/4. 2, 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 3,804 negative 1/4 to the fifth is negative 1 over 1,024. So we have 3,804 divided by 1,024. That is negative 3,804 divided by 1,024. So when we simplify this fraction, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 4. We'll get negative 951 over 256. That is the sixth term.